Hello, good morning everyone. Let us start with the exercise of chapter number 4, sorting materials into group. Okay, as we have successfully completed lesson number 1 to 3 and I also provided you all with the exercise part as well. Okay, so let us start the exercise of lesson number 4 of your NCERT textbook, sorting materials into group. Okay, so you need to take out page number 33 in your textbook. The question number 1, as I told you earlier, the question I am going to just read the question, only answer I will write on the board. Okay, so question number 1 from page number 33 of your NCERT textbook is, name 5 objects which can be made from wood. So simple. Let us start. Answer I will write directly here. So name 5. Yes, wood. Made from wood, sorry. Table, chair, bed. How many objects they have given? 5 objects. Okay. Doors you can see. And board. Okay, these are the 5 objects which are made up of wood. Simple. Moving on, question number 2. Select those objects from the following which shine. There are some objects given there. We have to select only object which can shine. We have already seen the properties, okay, of shining objects and all into the lesson. So I am going to read first all the options and then I will write the object which only shine. Okay. Glass bowl, plastic toy, steel spoon and cotton shirt. So I think from these all options only 2 options are there which can shine. Glass bowl and steel spoon. So number 2 answer is glass bowl and steel spoon. Glass bowl and steel spoon is the answer of question number 2. Question number 3 is match the following. So easy. Just listen to me. Here are some objects given and here are some materials from which that objects are made up of. Okay. Maybe one object is made up of 2-3 materials also can happen. So let us see first. There is a book. Book is made up of paper. Book is made up of paper. So match book with paper. Second, tumbler. Tumbler is made up of glass also and tumbler is made up of plastics also. So both the things you can attach. Tumbler can made up of glass and also it can made up of plastic as well. Chair. Chair also can made up of wood and chair also can made up of plastic. So both the things can possible. Toy. Toy also can made up of wood and toy is also made up of plastic and wood both. Now shoes made up of leather. Okay, understood? Moving on, question number 4, that is true and false. Very easy, these statements are. First, stone is transparent while glass is opaque. Absolutely false statement. Stone is not an transparent. Stone is opaque and glass is transparent. So the statement is false. Okay, A, false. B, sorry, not A, B, here given Roman numbers. Roman 1, false. Roman 2. Let me read what is given there in 2. A notebook has luster while eraser does not. False. Obviously, a notebook is not having a luster. Eraser has. So it's a false statement. Now 3 number. Chalk dissolves in water. No, chalk does not dissolve completely in water. water. So this is also a false statement. Number 4. A piece of wood floats on water. Yes, it is true. A piece of wood definitely floats on water as it is lighter than water. So is a true statement. Fine number. Page number 34. Sugar does not dissolve in water. False. Sugar is completely dissolved in water. Sugar is soluble in water. So it is a false statement. Number 6. Oil mixes with water. False. Oil does not dissolve in water. And 7 number. Sand settles down in water. Yes. When we mix up sand into water, sand will settle down. So it's a true statement. And last, number 8. Vinegar dissolve in water. Yes. Vinegar, lime juice, these can easily dissolve in water. So true. Okay. Let us go forward. Let us move forward. Number 5. See, number 5 is somewhat tricky question. It's quite difficult one. Let me read it. Given below are the names of some objects and materials. Water, basketball, orange, sugar, globe, apple, and earthen pitcher. Earthen pitcher. Okay. We have to group them as round shape and other shape, eatable and non-eatables. So first we'll go for round shape. A round shape and other shape. So we will go for A round shape, B other shapes, C eatable and D non-eatable. Okay, let us do it A, B, C, D for number 5. Okay, so should I love this? Okay, we'll start here. Fine. 5 number A, round shape. Okay, round shape. Basketball, apple, orange. Basketball, apple, orange, globe, and other picture. Okay, basketball, apple, orange, globe, and earthen pitcher. These are the round shaped object A. Now we will categorize into, they say round shape and other shape. So now other shape, they are round shape. Now other shape B, or to A only means other shape. Now those are not being round in shape, obviously they are having other shape. So in other shape, water and sugar. Okay, water and sugar. So A round shape, basketball, apple, orange, globe, earthen pitcher, and other shape, water and sugar. Okay. Now let us see eatables and non-eatables. So if you want to take a screenshot, you can capture a screenshot. Okay, I just move aside. Okay, done. Let us move towards the next question. Now question number 5 is going on. So we'll see now eatables and non-eatables. B of question number 5, eatables. Okay, eatables, apple, orange, water, sugar. Apple, orange, okay, apple, orange, sugar and water. Okay, now non-eatables. Non-eatables, we'll see. What is non-eatables here? Basketball, then globe, an earthen pitcher. Basketball, globe, and earthen pitcher. Okay, these are non-eatables. 6th number. Let me read the question. It is also somewhat tricky. List all the items known to you that float on water. Check and see if they will float on an oil or kerosene. My God. First we have to write list all the items known to you that float on water. Okay, first float on water we will write. Okay, float on water. In float on water we will write paper, wood, wax, ice. Paper, wood, wax, ice, thermocol, okay, etc. Paper, wood, wax, okay, thermocol. These can float on water, obviously. Now we'll see float on an oil. Float on an oil. Float and oil. Paper, plastic sheet, wax, thermocol. Paper, wax, thermocol. Paper, wax and thermocol also can float on oil as well. Okay. Now float on kerosene. Paper, float on kerosene. Okay. Paper, same. Paper will float on kerosene. Then thermocol and plastic sheet also can float on kerosene. Okay. Now question number last, that is 7 number. Okay. Take a screenshot if you want to take. Easy it is. I know you can. Okay, it's very easy. Number 7, and this is the last question of the lesson. 7 number. Find the odd one out from the following. First, chair, bed, table, baby, cupboard. Baby. baby is odd one out because all other are non-living thing, baby is a living thing. B, rose, jasmine, boat, marigold, lotus. Obviously boat, because all others are flowers. Okay, others are flowers, so boat is only the thing which is made up of wood. So odd one out. Rose, just okay, done. C, aluminium, iron, copper, silver, sand. Of course sand, because all other are metals. And D, others are metals, so sand. And D, sugar, salt, sand, copper sulfate. Sugar, salt, sand, copper sulfate. From here I think sand only, because others all are soluble in water. Okay, sugar is soluble in water, salt is soluble in water, and copper sulfate is also soluble in water. So sand is insoluble, so sand is the answer. Again sand is the answer. Okay, in first A, baby is living thing, all other are non-living. Boat, others flowers, and sand, others are metals, and here sand is insoluble in water. So that's it. That is the exercise part of lesson number 4. Okay, in next video we will discuss lesson number 5. We will start lesson number 5. Okay. Till then, be in touch with studies. Do good, take care of yourself. Okay. Thank you and have a good day.